Hey everyone, Sergio here with the Rideshare Guy. What do we say on Show Me the Money Club? Work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, which I have been for the past year and a half, you may be working a lot harder than you need to. Let's change that. Download the app, link your account where you can manage your income, track your expenses, as well as your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more money, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download the Solo app today. Begin to work smarter, not harder. Link is in the description. Let's get back to it.
All right, let's move on. Let's talk about why you need to pay attention to the fine print.
Oh, I see. You're the man. Because I sent you this long.
I know. I saw that, and I'm like, "You son of a bitch!"
No, but bro, I couldn't figure it out. I was like, you know what? He'll figure it out. So, okay, you folks know, hopefully, newbies especially, the difference between a bonus and a guarantee, and you must understand the difference. Otherwise, you're gonna be a sucker for Uber. Don't do that. So, if you look at this straight ahead, it looks like pretty good deal. It says activate on an offer for your next 190 trips. Woo. Choose one of the offers below until July 16th, 2026. And it says if your earnings fall short of the earnings after you select, once all offer requirements have been met, we will pay you the difference. Now, what is this? Is this a bonus or is this a guarantee? You guys know? You guys know the difference, hopefully? Well, what this is a guarantee, meaning you do what? In order to take their money, you hit this hard and accept every trash $3 trip on the planet immediately. All the
shorter
trips
the
you
better.
do not take, you take for this one.
Shorter the better.
Shorter the better. 3-minute pickup, 2-minute drop off. 3-minute pickup, 2-minute drop off.
Yep.
You knock those 190 out, you make maybe $500, $800, and then you'll take the money. So this is a guarantee. It is not a bonus. But Chris, you know how many people don't know the difference? And they will go to long trips, nature hikes, 190 trips, and then they'll earn like $3,000, right? And then now they're expecting money. And they go like, where's my money? Where's my $2,000 extra dollars? I go like, no, it's not. It's not a bonus. It's a guarantee. So people, if you're new especially, do not fall for this. But if you do fall for it, after you watch this, then it's your problem. So there's a huge difference between bonus and guarantee.
Yeah. And so moral of the story is bonus is on top of earnings. Guarantee means anything to hit the number that they give you. If you make under that, they'll pay you. If you make over that, they don't give you anything. So quite simple.
Listen to what Chris just said.
Very trickery.
Chris said something. Yeah, very tricky. And you know, a lot of people do fall for it, Chris.
Yeah. Oh, like, you know how many times that people will be like, I just did X amount of trips and they told me that I was going to get, this great money and never showed up.
Well, it was a guarantee because you earn more than the guarantee.
And you know what happens when it comes to that is people are going to get pissed off. They're going to have a sour taste in their mouth. And those are the people that are going to quit right there.
There you go. Mike figured it out. It's just roughly, if you do the 190 for 2,300, whatever that was, roughly $12 per trip. So you do what? You do all the $3, $4 trips, one after the other one. All the trash you declined and reclined for, you accept.
Yeah, and that's the whole thing. Like you look at that and you say, you're going to take every single ride under $12.
The lesser the better. The lesser the better.
So take all the minimum fare rides you can.
All the minimum fare rides in the neighborhood, and you will knock. I will say, if you're in a busy area like LA or whatever, you probably can knock those out like 40, 50 of them a day. And you have a whole week to do it. So I'm like, I would just knock this out.
To do it. No. Yeah? You have a month to do it. You got 30 days.
Oh, this was a month?
That done easily, yeah.
Oh. Well, do this in a week. You can knock this out
easily done.
In a week, knock it out, and then go to real work. But knock this out, take their money. It's a guarantee. It's a
If
guarantee.
you're lucky enough to get one of those, but a lot of the drivers that are watching are not new or just thinking about driving. They've been driving for a while. They're not seeing that bonus or that
I ain't seen
guarantee come
one of
through.
these. Uber, I do it. I can knock the shit out of those shorties. Just send it.
Definitely.
I'm telling you.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.